to Massini down in Basingstoke. The guys did my exhaust. I'm getting bigger silencers in for free because as your boy gets looked aftered. So massive shout out to them. And I'm also getting my anti-drone pipe put in this morning as well because I've still got my stock bloody resonator in there because it was drony before, but that's just a whole different story. Make sure to stay tuned, smash that subscribe button. We did hit 600 subscribers yesterday or the day before, 2 days ago. Now let's get to 700. Come on, let's go guys, let's go. I'm not even gonna lie, there is so much traffic. Move! Oh my god, move! I've been stuck here for 25 minutes. Oh, let's just get to the next. Take a look. Here's the original silencer which we had on the S3, and here's the brand new one. I mean, look at the size difference. That's a big difference, dude. Holy shit! So as you guys can see, the S3's up there, and I'm sitting down because my legs are absolutely killing me. But make sure to check out Massini. He's putting bigger silencers in, and he's actually hand making me a anti-drone pipe, which should be interesting. Let's get to it. Also, we're going to do a test drive as well, just to see how much it flames. Let's get to it. Yep, valve closed. That's it. Right, valves open. Hold on. Go. Valves open.